Hi, in this video, I want to talk a little bit about Robinhood Stock. So Robinhood is a company that revolutionized the world, okay? Because if you think about it, Robinhood was the first big company to make stock trading free for everyone. And I think when you get a company that does that, oftentimes there's ups and downs at the beginning, but it's that first company that tends to thrive, the first big company. There was some other players before Robinhood that were offering, free stock trading, and this is way back, way before Robinhood. There was a company that was allowing you to buy stocks with a credit card for a while, and they got bought out by some other company and they disappeared. In any case, Robinhood is the first big company to make that shift, and it's gonna last. The stock price when it opened, it went up and went up and went up, and then it's been just crashing down ever since. Today, as we speak, the market's open now. It closes in a little bit less than 2 hours, and the stock is 7 and change or so. And I should just emphasize that I'm not, some type of financial guru. I'm just a guy who's been investing for a long time. I have a lot of finance books. I have a lot of math books. And I think Robinhood, for the long run, it's going to be big. It's going to be one of those big players, one of those big winners. Let's take a look at the chart here. I'm just going to minimize this a little bit so you can look at the chart. So I've got it here. I'm on fizvin.com. And let's just take a look here at the financials. So first, you've got this chart here, and you can see, Robinhood just a complete collapse. I mean, it says here it's $7.28 right now. Let me just hit refresh. And I bought a couple shares today. I don't know how many, but I didn't buy that much. I think I spent like $100, and I decided to finally buy Robinhood. I had initially bought Robinhood shortly after the IPO, and I got scared like everyone else, and I sold it, and I lost a little bit of money. But I think it's time to back up the truck. I really think that it's going to do well. Here's the EPA this year, EPA next year. This is what everyone sees, right? What you see on the screen is what everyone sees. This is what's available to the public. Anyone can go online and they can read the financials and they can make predictions off that. Anyone can go online and they can see this chart and they can make predictions on that. And people will tell you Robinhood's going to go to zero. People will tell you it's going to go up. I'm here to tell you that I think it's going to go way up. I'm getting goosebumps, but I can imagine Robinhood being at $1,000 a share someday. That's what I see with a company like this, because they were the innovator. They were the first ones to do it, and other companies didn't, right? It was Robinhood that did it. I read an article today. Someone was saying something about eToro. They were saying, eToro is a competitor. I don't even know what eToro is, and I probably should look it up before I speak. But you know what? As the famous Peter Lynch used to say, buy what you know. And you've got to use your gut instinct, right? You do. You have to use what's in your gut. If you think Robinhood has a future, then you should buy it and you should believe. If you don't think that there's a future in Robinhood, then you shouldn't buy it. It's like when Amazon came out. I remember people were talking about Amazon. When Amazon was at $300 a share, people were saying, oh, Amazon's overpriced. It's a bear trap. It's going to go down. I mean, the PE ratio is out of control. It's not justified. Just constant criticism about Amazon. Look at Amazon now, right? So make your own decisions when it comes to stuff like this. And I really think Robinhood is an opportunity for people like me, people like you, people who, we're just regular people, and it's an opportunity, I think, to perhaps create a little bit of wealth. And if you're wrong, then, well, you're wrong, and you made the wrong decision. But that's what I think. I'll leave a link in the description to Robinhood if you're not familiar with what they are. It's a way to trade stocks for free, so use my link if you decide to sign up. And yeah, I'd say Robinhood is a winner. What do you think? Do you think Robinhood is going to go up? Do you think it's going to go down? Leave a comment in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe for more videos on individual stocks just like this. Good luck.